Ted
start a
Lasso would
contest.
really
Nee,
get
nee.
depression.
United owners, Glazers, Ineos, if you're listening, you start a contest. You tell fans to enter a contest to be the next United manager. You give every fan 1 month. That is equivalent to what you are anyways giving all the managers. You like एटलीस्ट हर फैन का सपना तो पूरा हो जाएगा. थोड़ा सा मेरे को ये
Guys,
एरोगेंस भी
have
कम
a
चाहिए.
Fees
I have a very good option
उनको
for
fees 500 euros. Every fans will get 500 euros and get to manage Manchester United for
No,
a month.
they'll just have a minimal like a £5 thing to like enter the contest. तुम एक player का पैसा तो तुम वो कर ही लोगे कि हाँ वो हो
हाँ.
जाएगा. हाँ. And then you bring Manchester United fans to manage for 1 month each. This is like a 1 month stint. You manage.
Manager of the month.
And they
Even
will work
people
with
playing
they
football
will be
manager
like,
would be better.
but they will work for free. They're like उनके लिए तो सपना पूरा है ना. Not everybody is going to be like, oh, we want
Yeah.
rent or whatever. They're like, it's a gig. You pay $500 or something. Still
Where
cheaper
is
than
Dipinder?
bringing a
Where is
new
Dipinder
manager.
Goyal when we want him? Where is
Still
Dipinder
cheaper
Goyal?
than bringing
Where
a
is
new manager. I'm telling you.
bring Dipinder Goyal in this conversation, please?
Cool.
I have an option for I have a preference for
The United
Manchester
job?
United job. Yeah. Do you know who?
Who?
Javi.
That haircut guy.
He's like, मेरा haircut मेरे ही हाथ में.
Yeah.
अरे उसने उसके बाल स्ट्रेट करवाए. उसने उसके बाल स्ट्रेट
Yeah,
करवाए.
he looks pretty. I like that.
Yeah.
I did not see that. Did you send me?
No, I don't.
I am so amused right now that I don't get any Messi or Ronaldo news. I get fucking Manchester United fan getting his hair straightened reel. I don't know what is happening to my feed. मेरे को ये आया कि that guy was sitting in a chair, like 4 or 5 people were straightening his hair.
Yeah, there are 3 professionals who did it because he
Yeah.
created a
I think
reel
so.
like doing his hair himself, straightening it himself. I know too much about this guy, but he made a reel where he himself was straightening it and it was not a good result. So a lot of people in his comments were like, you need to get it done by a professional because you're a guy, you don't know how to do it. So then I think he went on some program or something, like it was some TV show of UK. Anyways,
Yeah.
good shout.
Where
But
did
this
he
is
straighten his hair?
Huh. But this is what I'm
Mhm.
saying. Hanibaja, you are absolutely 100% correct. Like, this is way cheaper. You make some fans happy. And then, for rest of the fan base, for rest of the fans, like rival fans, it is just like और ज्यादा मजा आएगा in terms of like what happens on YouTube and everything ना. Then it's the fans fighting each other. ए मेरा tenure was better than तेरा tenure. Like भले एक महीने का, but it was better.
The cat is also excited.
But still, all of their tenures will be better than Arteta's.
And Amorim's also.
Amorim also, like, Amorim is
Apparently, he
the-
was like the worst. But like, might as well, man. Might as well.
United finished 15th. Na,
So,
last
make a wish,
Yeah.
make a wish kind of a thing. Yeah, yeah. Except it is not for sick people. It is for grown ass adult men who think that they know more than the manager. Yes, do it. I want one club to do it.
And United is the best.
United. United is perfect for this. पैसा है नहीं उनके
United-
पास.
United should not give like an annual contract to the managers. They should be like wife
हाँ,
contract.
it will like
हर
give
मैच के
equal.
बाद बात करेंगे.
Like,
After
match के
every
बाद
match we
देखेंगे.
discuss.
You
तेरे को
give
रहना
a
है, रहना
per
है,
week
ठीक है.
basis कि तुमने ट्रेनिंग में कितना करा है and then मैच का रिजल्ट क्या है उसके बेसिस पे तुम्हारा हफ्ते का पेमेंट
दिहाड़ी लेके जा. You come.
That is
You-
there, we solved it. For such innovative solutions, please like and subscribe to the podcast.
we can, yeah, they should do that like every week. सबसे पहले they will ask the manager, तेरे को जाना है? नहीं. अच्छा, तेरे को रहना है? Very good. हमको नहीं रखना, तू जा.
It's like nah.
Nah, not working out. Next कौन है? लाओ तो.
Yeah. Create a pipeline like that. I think because I think there are a lot of fans who would
Yeah.
feel like you are anyways like fucking going crazy with like the decisions that the manager is taking and how players are playing and this that blah blah blah. Everybody has an opinion on everything. Why not get the chance to realize and
Yeah.
see how you can actually do? You never know, we might get a serious managerial candidate who actually was
Yeah.
good, but they never had the opportunity to actually go and pursue becoming a manager. So you never know,
Just
I
hire the
agree.
guy who is number one in the world in Football Manager.
he might do a better job.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, anyone can do a better job. It's just not at Manchester United. Anyone can do a good job.
That is also true.
Not
That
at
is also
United.
true, but at the same time, I think as a reality show, this is amazing.
Oh, you make Manchester United a reality show.
It is a
We
reality
have
show.
we
It
have
is
a
a
money making,
reality show. Every
Yeah.
and
manager
it
is a
creates a
season.
new.
But
No,
every
it also
manager is one
creates like a
season.
new money making stream for Manchester
Yeah,
United.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
how they did with rally
They will
racing.
pay off their
Yeah,
debt, bro. They will pay off their
yeah,
debt
yeah.
like that. Yeah.
Netflix will pay billions for this.
Yes.
Like they should do a contest for like make the next Manchester United manager, have an interim manager, then end of the season तक ऐसा 3-4 महीने तक ऐसा उनका चलेगा the show, and then the person who
No,
wins
like
the show
haven't and
gets
like
to be
you
the
get the top 10
yes,
candidates, top 10 candidates,
yes.
one month, August,
नहीं
September,
नहीं
October, November, December,
नहीं ऐसा भी
like
नहीं
March,
ऐसा भी नहीं
April.
like make proper
Like
reality TV show, like proper reality TV का
हाँ,
show,
but like
they give
top
them
10 तक
tasks
पहुंचे
and
हाँ,
shit.
but you start with like 50 odd contestants ना, and then you get till top
हाँ
10, and then top 10 को एक महीना, and then grand finale will be after the season. Who was the
done.
best manager? He gets the permanent job.
Yes.
और
Best.
क्योंकि because they sack the manager after one season anyway, तो जो जीतेगा पहला सीजन उसको 1 साल करने दो, and तुम दूसरा सीजन स्टार्ट करो 50 और लोग लेके. It's a
money mint. We are minting money right now.
How
We have
poor
such an
man,
amazing idea.
we have such good ideas. Trademark. This is a trademark. If
And
Manchester United do, they got the idea here. TM.
Copyright infringement.
इसको patent
just
लगाओ.
just fucking imagine how much money they could be minting, bro.
I agree.
And उसमें भी कोई गलती से ऐसा जीत गया कुछ ट्रॉफी वॉफी, fucking hell.
Bro, that person
Top
will
10
become a
managers in United
celebrity.
history.
That guy तो
That
like
guy will win more than Arteta.
Yes.
oh, that would be crazy. That would be crazy. But yeah, so we've solved the United problem. Let's